we had some problems with the AC, so we picked up this Toshiba. It says 12,000 BTU, and that's US, and I guess this is some other standard, 14,000. It's supposed to be good for 550 square feet. I got it for just under 600 bucks. It's a pretty good deal, and they only had 2 of them there, so they were really selling them fast. This is a look around the box, and we're going to unbox this bad boy today. I'm going to show you all the parts that are inside of it. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I want to take these little straps off, but I don't want to cut them. I want to keep them whole because just in case I need to take the machine back. So I'm just going to set that one over there. Let me get this one off. Look at that one came off easy. And I'm just going to pull it out of there. And we had this running at my brother's house. So I repacked it, so it's going to look a little different when I take it apart. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go ahead and pull this whole thing off. Hopefully not none of the parts. Oh, yep, some of them fell. And then I'm going to set it right here. So those were the sleeves that fell, okay? So you get window sleeves with it, and you get a number of them. They're kind of put together here. You follow me? Here's some more here. There's 3 of them here. There's 2 small ones, and then there's the one that you connect this to right here. And I'm going to explain all of that to you guys. So that comes with it. It comes with this additional collar also. We'll set that there. In here is the plug. And just so you guys understand something with this plug, it does have its own circuit breaker on here. So it won't, if it gets too hot, it'll blow out. And you can also test it by pressing on this once you stick it in there. Let's lay that to the side. They come with these additional things that you can put around the window sleeves so that you can, like insulate it. And then it comes with a tube so you can drain it. You follow me? I'll set that right there. It also comes with instructions right here. So I would highly recommend reading those. Now that's not all that comes with it. This right here is the body of it, all right? And I've got to pull it out of its base here to get it out. This I can pick up and pull it out of the base, but it's pretty heavy. So if I pick it up like that, I should be able to get it out. Once I've got it out, I can set it down like that, and it rolls. So I want to save this because we may have to send it back. You never know. So let's just roll her over like this. Let me just show you. See how it rolls really nice. Very easy, okay? Even though I pulled it off. There we go. All right, so on the very top. All right, so anyway, like I said, I've already taken it out of the box once. So I'm just showing you all the parts of it. Here, you've got this extra, like it's matting. We'll have to look at that a little bit better. In here, you've got these special attachments, and these attachments right here, these attachments are used for vertical windows. You follow me? Well, I'm gonna have, look, it's stuck in there. I have to get it out. It also comes with these little screws, and this is a plate to kind of hold it if you need it to. But these things right here, these little, you see those little white plugs? That's what goes into your sleeves. You'll see those right there. That's what keeps the sleeve where you want to put it. So you'd push it through there, and that would hold that sleeve and keep pressure against it. But we're going to show you how to do that. It also comes with some more weather stripping here, right here. Put that over there. And you get this remote right here. And you can see the batteries are already in it. Let me show you the batteries. So here, and I believe these are AAAs. Let's see. Yeah, these are AAA batteries, and you can see how they go in. You always put the negative side against the spring, so you just go like this. You follow me? And then you just put that down on top. and squeeze it, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go. So we've got that. Let's set this stuff down here. And I'm going to go through it all. All right, and then this. And here's a little brace that they give you that you can use if you need to. Let me pull this out. And you can see, oh, that's why it wouldn't come through, because this is locked in there. Let me pull that out of there. This is more weather stripping. So they give you 2 of those. And then this should just slide right out. Yeah, there we go. And that's it. You set that down there. All right, so this, you want to save this just in case. So I'm going to put it over here. Remember, this is the bottom of it, and that's the top. All right, so let's set that down. That's the inside. That would be on top of that. And that's everything that's in here. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. You get the directions. You get your controller, your remote controller. You get an additional collar. You get this thing, which I haven't figured out what it is. You got one of these. And this is if you have vertical window. You're going to need this adapter for that specific window screen to do a vertical window. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You get these 2 sleeves, this sleeve and this sleeve. You get these for insulation and these for insulation, and those 2 strips, and that one little doohickey right there, and then these for insulation also, and you get this drain tube. Now that's everything that comes in the box, and then you get the unit itself right here. So that's it, yeah.